Hello dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel of CLE Degree College. In the previous class we have discussed the meaning as well as the definition of a banking term. Today we are going to discuss the various features of banking. So let us first of all look after the various features one by one and let us discuss it in detail later on. First of all, just I will highlight the points which you can see on this particular screen. So first feature is dealing in money. Secondly, dealing with credit. Third one, commercial in nature. Fourth one, nature of agent. And the last one is deposit must be withdrawable. Okay, so let us discuss these particular points or these particular features one by one. Let us go through the first point, dealing in money. So here bank deals in money. Bank accept the money from the general public. They accept the money in the form of SB accounts, in the form of current accounts, in the form of FD accounts. So, in various forms it is collecting the money through various accounts, and that money is utilized towards loans and advances to the people who are in need of this finance. So, both the requirements are fulfilled, means the savers who want to save the money, their requirement is fulfilled by the bank, and even the persons who are in need of finance, their requirement is also being fulfilled by the bank itself. So, these banks are the dealer in money, they deal in money, they carry out the transactions concerned with money. Okay, so this is the first point. Second one, dealing with credit. So, as I told earlier, banks not only they are engaged in accepting the money, but whatever accepted money is gathered, that will be utilized towards lending or advancing process. Okay, so on that particular advances, certain rates of interest will be charged. Through that, the earnings are made. So here, the banks are providing credit facility, loan facility, advances facility to the people who are in need of finance, right? So in this way, these banks deal with credit. The next point, the commercial in nature. Here, no doubt, banks are providing services to its customers by not only the accepting the deposits from the general public and opening the various accounts, but also they are advancing to the people who are in need of finance. But what the bank is going to get the benefit here? Here, banks are creating money from money. Means they are earning additional money. So how these banks are earning additional money? So just you can compare the various interest rates, the lending rate, the loan rate which the bank is providing for various period, and the SB account interest rates as well as FD account interest rates. So whatever the difference we are going to get, that will be a earning to the bank, that is an income to the bank. So it is creating additional money from money, right? So here banking is an economic activity and bank is earning profit from such kind of activities, banking activities. So in this way, this is regarding commercial in nature. The next point, The banking is a nature of agent. So here banker is playing a role, or banks are playing a role of agent, intermediary in between the investors who want to invest the money and the users of those funds. So it is bridging the gap in between the investors or the savers of money as well as the users of money who are in need of finance. And the last point which I need to discuss is the deposit must be withdrawable. So here, that whatever the deposits has been made by the general public, they are usually withdrawable, especially concerned with the SB account. So whenever SB account customer wants to withdraw the money, he can withdraw the money. Even current account holders, they can carry out regularly current account transactions, okay, and even they can withdraw the money, okay, by checks, draft, orders, etc. And finally, FD account holders, no doubt for a certain period of time the FD account has to be maintained, but in certain cases if demand comes from the customer for his personal need, okay, that financial requirement is also fulfilled by this particular bank. So by the order of the depositor, the bank also repays the deposits back to that particular FD account holder. So in this way, what we can see that here deposits can be withdrawable, they can be withdrawn, okay, according to the demand of the customers. When they demand it, the bank has to pay the money itself. So in this way, these were the various features concerning the banking. I hope you got it today. So let us conclude today's class, and we shall carry out the remaining part in the next class.